Hellos, this is Sohaila. Today we'll talk about how we form when we use present simple and present progressive, and I will make a comparison between these tenses. So let's start. First, you should know that I is the first person singular, you the second person singular, he, she, it the third person singular, we the first person plural, you the second person plural, they the third person plural. So let's start. I, the subject, plus the verb, plus S if it's a third person singular. I walk to school. He walks to school. She walks to school. They walk to school. You walk to school, etc. In the negative, you should add the subject, plus the helping verb do or does, plus not, plus the verb. I do not walk to school. You do not walk to school. They do not walk to school. We do not walk to school. We remove the S in the third person singular when we add does. She does not walk to school. He does not walk to school. It does not play outside, etc. So in the question, you put do or does, the helping verb in the first, plus the subject, plus the verb. Do you walk to school? Do I walk to school? Does she walk? Now, how we form present progressive? So first we add verb to be plus the verb plus ing. I am working late. You are working late. He is working late. She is working late. They are working late, etc. In the negative, you add I am not working late, the verb to be plus not plus the verb plus ing. I am not working late. He is not working late. She is not working late. You are not working late. We are not working late, etc. Now, how in the question? Verb to be plus the verb plus ing. Am I working late? Is he working late? Is she working late? Are you working late? Are we working late? Etc.
I'm going to use present progressive. First, things that happening right now. I am watching TV at the moment. It is raining right now. Number 2, for plans in the near future. I am flying to Dubai next week. He is meeting her at the airport in an hour.
A small comparison between present simple and present progressive. First, the mean. Simple present say that something was true in the past, here, was true in the past, is true in the present, and will be true in the future. Okay? Present progressive. The present progressive expresses an activity that is in progress at that moment of speaking. It's the temporary activity that has been in the past, is continuing in the present, and it finish, or it probably finish or end in some point in the future. For subject plus verb, I walk to school, he walks to school, they walk to school, etc. Do or does plus the subject plus verb. Do I walk to school? Does he walk to school? Does she walk to school? Etc. Subject plus do or does plus not plus the verb. Okay. I do not walk to school. He doesn't walk to school or does not walk to school. She does not walk to school. We do not walk to school, etc. Here in present progressive, verb to be plus verb plus ing. I am working late. He is working late. She is working late. They are working late, etc. Verb to be plus verb plus ing in the question. Am I working late? Are they working late? Is she working late, etc. Verb to be plus not plus the verb plus ing. I am not working late. He is not working late. She is not working late. They are not working late, etc. Uses to express a habitual or everyday activity. Here, often the activity is of a general nature, something general, in progress this week, this month, this year, etc. Now we end this lesson. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand it very well. See you soon in the next lesson.